So as you can see on the board, or as you can see in the picture, we have a picture of a dog here. So here we have a picture of a dog, means कौन भौंक रहा है? Dog. तो what we will use? It barks. Okay, यह भौंकता है. Now we have a picture of a boy who is planting here. So he. तो what we will use? He. क्योंकि boy है तो उसके लिए he use होगा. He plants a tree. 4. In the 4 we have a picture of a classroom. So dash sit in a class. तो it और she तो होगा नहीं, क्या होगा? We sit in a class. Okay, we sit in a class. हम लोग क्लास में बैठते हैं. Now here is a girl and who is wearing a uniform of a doctor. It means she is a doctor. तो यहाँ पे लड़की थी तो she use हुआ, ना कि he और they. Okay, so this is the question number D we have solved. Now move on to the question number E. Look at the number E. Take the correct words to be used in place of the underlined word. Okay, now let's start. Minnie is sleeping. Minnie is sleeping. Sorry, here is we have Mimi. Mimi is sleeping. Mimi will wake up soon. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to choose the correct pronoun instead of using Mimi. So first हम प्रोनाउन कहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं? नेमिंग वर्ड के प्लेस पे. तो मिमी हमारा क्या है? नेमिंग वर्ड. तो दो सेंटेंस है विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू द मिमी. Mimi is sleeping, Mimi will wake up soon. So I have already told you that we always use the naming word once. So Mimi is sleeping is okay. Now what we have to use? She, because Mimi is a girl, so she will wake up. So not a name. We are going to use the name over and over. Okay, so she will wake up soon. So like we have to choose in between them, which is the correct pronoun we will have to use, or we will use instead of Mimi. Okay. Number 2, Ali is Ali Ali is eating an apple. The apple is sweet. Number 3, Keva and I are playing. Keva and I are having fun. Keva and I are having fun. So what do we have in the option? We or they. Number 4, Tom is a boy. Tom has many friends. Tom is a boy. Tom has many friends. She or he. Number 5, Umar and Danny live near the park. Umar and Danny live near the park. Umar and Danny play together. Umar and Danny play together. Options: they. Now we have to choose the pronoun carefully for this exercise, for this particular exercise. Mimi is sleeping and Mimi will wake up soon. So instead of Mimi, because Mimi is a girl, what we will use? She. Okay. Now second, Ali is eating an apple. So by the name we can see that the Ali is a male here. So what we will use? He. Ali is Ali is eating an apple and he is the apple is sweet. मतलब what we have to choose, sorry not he, because यहाँ पे जो बात हो रही है वो एप्पल की हो रही है दोबारा, तो ही को ना इट को यूज होगा कि इट इज स्वीट. ओके. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स. ओके. हमारे पास क्वेश्चन में इस तरीके से दिया हुआ है कि यूज किसको किसको करना है. ओके. नाउ सो हमें जो अंडरलाइन है उसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए चेंज करना है. केवा एंड आई आर प्लेइंग. We or they, what we will have to use according to the sentence. So Keva and I, it means I means my, and we have included ourselves also. I have already told you that whenever we include ourselves in the sentence, it means we have to use we. Okay, we. Now Tom is a boy. It means Tom is a boy and Tom has many friends. Tom is a boy. What we have to use? He. Umar and Danny live near the park. So for Umar and Danny, what we will use? They. Okay. So this is the question number E we have solved. Question number F. Okay. Question number F. In the F, we have fill in the blanks with words from the box, and each word should be used at least once. So here we have option he, she, I, and we. Okay. We have these words and we have to use them according to the sentence. We have 4 options. Okay, 4 given words, but we have total 5 sentences. It means that we have to use from one of them twice. Okay. Number 1, hello. Hello dash I am Jai. Okay. Number 2, this is my friend. This is my friend Fazal. This is my friend Fazal dash likes stories. Number 3, dash will ask grandmother Dash will ask grandmother to tell us a story. Number 4, Dash knows lots of stories. Dash love listening to her stories. So what we have to do now, we have to fill them which we have given. Okay, through them मतलब what we have to do, we have to choose the correct pronoun to fill this sentence or to complete this sentence. Hello, I am Jay. Here we are introducing ourselves. Hello, I am Jay. Okay, I is the pronoun we have used. This is my friend Fazal. So यह मेरा दोस्त है. And dash like stories. So Fazal is a boy. So what we have to use? He likes stories. Dash will ask grandmother to tell us a story. तो क्या होगा? We will. हम लोग दादी से पूछेंगे हमें कहानियाँ सुनाने के लिए. तो we will ask grandmother to tell us a story. Dash knows a lot of stories. तो बचा क्या है? She. Okay, she. So we have used all of them. Now we have to use one of them twice. Okay. यहाँ पे I will write I love listening to her stories. मुझे उनकी कहानियाँ सुनना पसंद है. Okay, so this is the question number E we have solved in this video. And what you guys have to do, you have to complete the page number 24 and 25 from today's video. Till then, take care and be safe at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.